Hi everyone, I'm Alla Drixner from AllasYummyFood, and I have been invited by Fit Food Ingredient Technology to introduce their new range of protein and fiber food and recipe supplements. The Fit protein and fiber supplement range are very easy and simple to use. You can either add them direct to existing ready meals, soups, juices and smoothies. I just finished my workout, and this blueberry mango smoothie filled with proteins and fiber is the perfect boost that you need for your body. Or you can mix it into recipes that you already are cooking, such as breads, burgers, pastries, jams and cakes. Fit protein and fiber food and recipe supplements are a great addition to all foods, helping to boost your body's health and well-being. As we move through life, it is important to take care of our food's nutritional makeup, particularly ensuring we have enough protein in our diet to avoid muscle wastage, and enough fiber to provide a healthy digestion and colon function. The Fit products are also great as an increased supplement for bodybuilders and athletes just like me. So what are you waiting for? Check out my recipes down below and make something delicious.